How to become a freelancer in graphic design and book formatting. Do you know that you can make between $45 and $95 per hour as a graphic designer? Likewise, did you know you can charge between $100 and over $1,000 to format a book for publication, depending on the complexity and size of the book? Whether you are passionate about graphic design and book formatting, or you are looking for extra income, becoming a freelancer designing and formatting books for clients can be very rewarding. In this video, I will show you how to become a freelancer in graphic design and book formatting. 1. Acquire the skills. The first thing you need to do is to acquire graphic design and book formatting skills. Luckily, there are numerous free resources available online that can help you develop these skills. You can find a wealth of tutorials and courses on websites like Canva Design School, Adobe Creative Cloud Tutorials, and YouTube channels like The Futur. These courses cover everything from the basics of design to the most advanced methods. With these resources, you can easily learn how to create attractive and professional designs, as well as learn how to properly format books for publishing. 2. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your design work and book formatting projects. Include a variety of samples to demonstrate your range and expertise. You can use free portfolio platforms like Behance, Dribbble, or even create your own website using platforms like Wix or WordPress. A portfolio is a great way to show potential clients your work samples and demonstrate how creative you are. It helps to build trust and encourages potential clients to contact you. 3. Network and market yourself. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to showcase your work and connect with potential clients. Join online communities and forums related to graphic design and publishing where you can network with other professionals and potential clients. For instance, you can join the Creative Freelancers group on LinkedIn to connect with other freelancers and discuss topics such as pricing, trends, and self-promotion. 4. Offer free or low-cost services. When starting out, consider offering your services for free or at a discounted rate to build your portfolio and gain experience. You can also volunteer to work on design projects for nonprofit organizations or local businesses to gain exposure and credibility. This will also help you gain a better understanding of the design process and the client's needs, and allow you to build relationships that can generate leads for future clients. Additionally, it can give you the opportunity to showcase your work to a wider audience and potentially gain referrals. 5. Utilize freelance platforms. Sign up for freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com to find clients and projects. Create a compelling profile highlighting your skills, experience, and portfolio. Be proactive in bidding on projects and providing excellent customer service to build your reputation and attract more clients. With this approach, you can quickly establish yourself as a professional and profitable freelancer. 6. Collaborate with authors and publishers. Reach out to authors and self-publishers directly to offer your services for book formatting and design. This is a great opportunity to build connections with authors and publishers. It's also a great way to showcase your skills and get some new freelance work. Attend writing conferences, join online writing communities, and participate in author events to network and build relationships with potential clients. 7. Continuously improve and adapt. Stay updated on industry trends, software updates, and new design techniques to remain competitive in the freelance market. Staying competitive in the freelance market is like running a marathon. You need to keep training and running to stay ahead of the competition. So, continue to seek feedback from clients and peers to improve your skills and services. By doing so, you will be able to stay ahead of the competition in the freelance market. By following these steps and leveraging the free resources mentioned here and many others available online, you can develop a successful freelance career in graphic design and book formatting. You can make some extra income for yourself and enjoy the reward of your passion and creativity. I hope this video is helpful to you. If so, please like and share the video with others. You can also subscribe to our channel for more educational videos like this. Thanks for watching.